What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Freak by Doja Cat. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double disco kick your wiener dog into a deep fryer. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song is in standard tuning, and it's just got 4 chords that repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you need is G major. It's 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Then you need E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. And then A minor 7, which is 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0. And then finally a D7, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 1, 2. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's very simple. It's just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Throughout all 4 chords, it looks like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 down. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.